The range function is an often overlooked gem in Power Automate. It's a simple function that generates a list of numbers, a number sequence, and you can specify where the sequence should start and how many numbers you need. Using range on its own, it's easy. You just find an FX button, type in range and the parentheses, type the starting number, then a comma, and then type the number of numbers to generate. Click on add and this is your result. Just a simple list of numbers. But my favorite use of this function is within loops. The range function allows me to loop through many lists at once. Let's say I have a list of names and a list of emails, and I want to fill out the following text template. So let's add a loop and let's choose an expression for the loop's inputs. I'll use the range function and I want to start the numbers from 0, and I want to generate a number for each email and name on the list. So I'll use length and I'll use one of the lists I have. Then inside the loop, I'll add a compose to fill out the template. I'll just paste the template in, then I'll replace the name part with an expression. I'll type in slash and select insert expression, which is the same thing as the FX button. Then I'll select a dynamic value, which will be the list of names. Now, this thing is a list, but I only need one value. If you didn't know, you can select elements from the list by their positions. Just type in the square braces, and inside the square braces, you can type in the number, which is the position of the element, and the numbers start from 0. And we already have everything set to make this dynamic. Instead of a static number, you can just type item, and this will connect the values from your range with the list. Let's do the same thing for emails. Type slash and choose insert expression. Then select the list of emails, add square braces and enter item inside. Click on add, then save and test your flow. And voila, here's how to use the range function. Hope this video was useful to you. Let me know what other topics you want to learn about, and don't forget to subscribe not to miss the next video. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.